Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we got another short version here of what cruisers want while we are out sailing on Liberty of the Seas. So let's jump right in with this comment because this one here just kind of made me laugh a little bit. It says, I'm happy I'm not cruising in May because that's the worst list of movies. Where are all the action movies? Are you not looking at the demographics, John Heald, of who is on these ships? Me personally, I have never ever picked my cruise based on what movies might be playing or are not playing on board the ship. I don't cruise to watch movies. Yeah, maybe there's a movie on the ship. I'm like, hey, look, this is playing. I haven't seen it. I want to watch it, and I'll check it out. But I have never ever decided to cruise or been happy to cruise or not to cruise based on the movies. Have you guys? Has it ever been, I'm going to cruise because this movie's playing, or I'm going to cancel my cruise or not book a cruise because this movie is not playing? I don't really get this. I mean, if you cruise to watch movies, then more power to you. You do you, but I've never based my cruise on the movies. But you guys let me know in the comments below. Have you ever based your cruise based on movies? Just curious. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed this short What Cruisers Want video. If you have, do me a favor. Give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.